Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here today. Today's unboxing is going to be, and I'm going to open it so I don't have to worry about the addressing. Sephora Play. I haven't looked at this yet, so I don't know what's in here. But it says, show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. And the very first thing we see on top is our flyer with our extra insider beauty points, where if you go to the store or you buy online now, you can use your extra 50 beauty rewards points. The beauty is I just placed an order a week or so ago and I got to use one of the promo codes that I had and add my 50 beauty insider points. So they have worked out online how to get that done. So this is the pamphlet we have. It talks about playing Sephora Bingo, memorize store hours by heart, stop by the store just for a lash application, not afraid of appeal. I guess you can. And the back, don't look, tells us what's going to be in here. So in case you don't know, Sephora is a $10 per month subscription, and you just go right onto the Sephora website and sign up and they send it to you once a month, $10, easy peasy. Generally tiny little products, but usually really nice luxe products. So this month's bag, I noticed the first thing I noticed right away is my bag is chopped. This month's bag is pink. The bags have been red and it's pink this month, so wonder what else has changed. I'm going to go ahead and try not to look at this and open it up and set it here in front of me so that as we go, we can read it. Okay, I'm reaching in, and the very first thing I'm coming out with on top is, I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses on, the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream, Youth to the People. I have never tried this brand, so this is very exciting. I love it when I get things that I've never tried before, things that I've never tried the brand before, because really, isn't that why we do this? To try all kinds of fun new things? It is. What is Adaptogen? Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. Well, let's see what the paper says. The very first word makes me go, Fungi Frontrunner. Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream is a hydrating and calming cream formulated with adaptogenic herbs and mushrooms. This cream is hydration goals. Get a dose of moisture with this formula that soothes stressed or irritated skin with natural ingredients like ashwagandha, rhodiola, reishi, and holy basil. Apply a quarter-sized amount to cleansed skin morning and night. So, and it says it is a Sephora exclusive. So that is really, really interesting. Oh, it's sealed. Well, we're going to get in here because we want to see if it smells like mushrooms. It's not coming off. All right, I'm going to stick my finger in here and we all know how this is ending. Ooh. I'll tell you what, that is what it looks like. It's just a nice cream. It's going to rub off the edge, and I have a lot on that piece of paper I just took out, so we will use that to sample it. And it is just a really wet, oh wow, feels nice, nice and moisturizing. This is moving into the time of the year where I like it to be a little lighter and you don't feel like you're actually coating yourself with moisturizer. It doesn't smell like mushrooms. Doesn't smell like, pizza. Oh, it's really cool. Well, that is fun. I like trying new things and new brands that I haven't tried, so that is awesome. Okay, let's reach in here and see what we get next. Something else we haven't tried? Nope. A makeup artist's best friend. This is like a foil pack. This is probably my extra. Nope, it's on. Yes. This month's bonus, Balms Away, Clinique. So what it is the take off the day balm, which we all know I like balms. Right now I'm using the Drunk Elephant Sleigh balm in the evenings. Loving it. But I will for sure, how great is that for travel? Like if you're going somewhere overnight? Because I bet that this is in a smaller thing. I bet you don't have to pack this nice. Let's see what it says. Clinique Take Off the Day, a lightweight makeup remover that turns from balm to oil. Dissolves makeup and sunscreen, cleanses and nurtures skin, non-greasy, non-drying formula. I don't think that I've tried that. When I was younger, Clinique was mainly a brand, and it still may be, I don't know, that focused on younger people. So as I've gotten older, it's not a brand that I personally try as much, but I will for sure try this because I love balms, and if I love it, I will try that next. So, 2 things I don't use. Next we have Bigger, Blacker, Badder. Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. Okay, we get a lot of mascara, but I like to try mascara. It's just kind of a reflective gunmetal packaging. If you can see that. Very cool. Let's see what this says. A lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easily for full-bodied lashes. Its creamy formula delivers bold lashes without being sticky or clumpy. Plus, ingredients like honey extract and marine collagen nurture with every swipe. Honey extract. Interesting. That's why they mentioned not sticky. They knew you'd be like, honey? Really? Okay. Next we have Brow Power. Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, so much for new things. This is literally my brow pencil. So that's pretty cool because what it's going to give me is a travel size brow pencil. I know, I keep mentioning travel like I'm going somewhere. I am. Actually, in the fall, we're going to Disney World, but how cute is he? It's just, I mean, it's not tiny, but it's just a little one. Very neat. It's exactly what I'm using. With a little spoolie. That is awesome. I actually am quite thrilled to get this because like I said, it's what I use and it'll be perfect for travel. Oh, let's see what it says. A natural looking pencil that works for any color eyebrow. Why it gets bonus points? This pencil's innovative shape mimics the appearance of real hair for natural looking brows. Plus, its formula is made with nurturing ingredients like biotin, saw palmetto, and antioxidants. There you go. All right, next we have the Peter Thomas Roth. Oh, something feels a little, oh, it is, something's wet. Oh, I think it might be me. I think it's from that whole mushroom experience. I think I just found a pile of it on the back of my phone. Okay, anyway. Cucumber Gel Mask, Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. Detoxifying Hydrator. I am intrigued. It's a pretty good size sample too. What size does it say it is? 0.47 fluid ounces, so it's almost half a fluid ounce. Let's see what the paperwork says. Get the green light. Oh, it's a mask. I totally missed that word when I said it the first time. A refreshing lightweight gel mask that soothes, hydrates, and detoxifies skin. Why it gets bonus points? The ultra gentle mask calms irritated skin with botanical goodness like cucumber and aloe vera. Ideal for after sun exposure, peels, waxes, or facials. Excellent. Well, I will save this for summer. I really, as a rule, don't get sunburns because I really try not to take all of this into the sun. And when I do, it has on hats and glasses and looks for shade. Wears lots of sunscreen. But still, on those days, even if you don't get too much sun, you still like to come in and cool down. And oh, I bet that's one of the ones that you could put in the fridge. And yep, we'll be using it for that. Okay, let's see what's next. Last but not least, we have the Sephora Micellar Water. Triple Action Cleansing Water with matcha green tea extract. And it's just a nice 0.84 fluid ounces. Don't usually use micellar water, and I have some IT brand, but I will stick it in a drawer because I bet it's good for forever. And I like it for taking off eye makeup sometimes when I'm not going to do as good a job as I should do with taking off all my makeup. I use a silk pillowcase because I try and do everything I can to preserve every last one of my hairs and keep it happy. So I try at the very least to get my eye makeup off. And sometimes I micellar water my eyes, which I know you should never do. Don't listen to me, kids. Always take all your makeup off at night. But anyway, in the hopes of not ruining my silk pillowcase, I always take my eyes off. That is my full bag. Oh, so let's see what it says about that. A no-rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities in makeup. It gets extra points for this soothing formula, leaving skin feeling fresh and comfortable in one simple step. Hydrosen Plus, a plant-derived ingredient, moisturizes and nurtures. I just made that word up. I forget them. It's okay. All right, so that is my whole bag. That was a fantastic box to my way of thinking. So in my cute little pink bag, we received the Clinique Balm, the Sephora Micellar Water, the IT Brow Pencil, the Urban Decay Perversion, I wish they could have nicer names, mascara, the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream, and the Peter Thomas Roth Gel Mask. Excellent! Good job, Sephora. I really liked this month, and I'm anxious to use most of those products. Can't wait. I have to go bye-byes to use like 4 of them because I've now deemed them travel worthy, but that's okay. Did you like your box this month? Did you get the same things I got? I haven't seen many unboxings yet, so I don't know whether I'm early or if I just haven't gone looking for them. But let me know below. Did you get this? Did you like it? Do you like this? I think this is a good box. All right. I love the Sephora's stepping it up, you know? Lots of things are out there changing in sub-box world with people raising and lowering prices and giving you more products and trying to do better, newer products. And so much is going on that I am really glad to see a great Sephora month. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by, and I will see you soon. Bye.